Today we got a Harbor Freight special. They got some good stuff and then they got some not so good stuff, and their extractor kit here is one of those questionable things. Like, come on, why put a 3/8 inch drive on a 17 to 19 millimeter extractor? Just ridiculous. I mean, of course it broke off. So what I'm going to do is what they should have done from the factory, is sit here and make it to where you can put a 20 millimeter socket over top this bad boy. And there you have it. It should be able to work and extract my lug nut. So we're going to be grinding away. Look at that. I think we done did it. Alright, let's go ahead and rip this lug nut off of here for good. Oh, it was on there good. Tell you what. Oh, damn. Might take some PB plaster. There we go. Whew. Finally. Made that extractor actually work. Thing was a piece of junk at first.